Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I am going to talk in this video about top 5 best motorcycle helmet that you should buy. Let's get started. First on the list is the HJC CL17 full face motorcycle helmet. This helmet offers superb protection and some amenities that will enhance your riding experience. It is fairly lightweight, at about 6 pounds, is constructed from an advanced polycarbonate composite, comes with a full warranty, and is both DOT and SNELL compliant. The HJC CL17 is extremely comfortable to wear with comfort padding that conforms to your face over time. The two features that really make the CL17 stand out are its ventilation and shield. The vent channels in the cool air that works in conjunction with a moisture wicking lining to keep you dry. Multiple controls allow you to fine-tune just how much air gets into the helmet. The shield uses an optional pin lock lens that keeps it fog-free, and the rapid-fire shield replacement system makes switching them out a snap. Second on the list is the Vega Rebel Warrior Half Helmet. The Rebel Warrior from Vega is a stylish half helmet available in a range of sizes and unisex designs for a truly customized look. As you'd expect, the helmet meets or exceeds all DOT safety regulations, and as Vega makes a point of randomly testing batches, it comes with a 5-year limited warranty and a lifetime guarantee against manufacturing defects. It's super lightweight at only 2.2 pounds, so there's no chance of neck strain, and you can expect a comfortable custom fit thanks to the adjustment dial in the back and a padded quick release strap. The sun shield is fully adjustable and removable too, as well as being optically correct to ensure clarity of vision regardless of sun, rain or bugs. Third on the list is the Qualifier full face motorcycle helmet. This Qualifier helmet is a fine mixture of quality materials and handy features at an affordable price. It's DOT approved and meets FM VSS 218 standards, meaning your head will be safe and protected in case of accidents. Furthermore, the helmet has a lot of extras that will make every ride more comfortable. The helmet features a lightweight polycarbonate shell that absorbs impacts and can withstand a lot of pressure. It's sturdy and durable, yet highly portable and easy to put on. The model is available in several sizes and colors, so you can pick the one that fits perfectly and matches your riding gear. Fourth on the list is the Westtalk motorcycle helmet. If you're looking for an inexpensive option that will still be highly reliable and keep your head safe while on the road, you might want to check out this helmet. It's DOT certified, sturdy, durable and highly absorbent. The helmet is quite compact and is ideal for all kinds of motorcycles and ATVs. It features a dual visor. The outer one is scratch resistant while the inner one protects against the harmful sun rays. When it comes to the interior, the helmet features removable and washable padding that proves to be quite comfortable. There are also extra ventilation points to keep your head cool during the summer.